Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today we are going to learn a new poem, He Did It, by Mary Britton Miller. So, tell me, have you ever stood on the seashore and watched the waves moving high and low? Do you have any experience standing near the shore and enjoying the waves? Do you think you can conquer the waves? So, all these things let's learn in the poem He Did It. He Did It. The author name is Mary Britton Miller. She was a poet, a novelist, and she started to write poems and novels at the age of 60. Means after celebrating her 60th birthday, she started to write. See here, age doesn't matter. If we want to achieve anything, we can achieve at any age. And she died when she was 91. She was sick and for a long time she was on the bed and died at the age of 91. So let's move on to the poem. I'll read the first paragraph. Just see. Set the dangerous sea. You will not conquer me. Try as hard as you can. You are not a whale. You are not a shark. You cannot walk on the waves, young man. See here in the picture, the waves has a face. It is challenging the young man that you cannot conquer me. Conquer means you cannot win over me. So the sea is so confident that she is challenging the young man that you cannot conquer the waves. The sea says to the young man that you means the young man, you are not a whale. See, the whales and sharks can swim up and down in the water. Even in the waves, the fish can float across the waves, but the young man can't. It is said, the sea was challenging the young man that it is not a road. The sea is not a road to walk straight. It is like up and down the waves. You can only row your boat. You cannot walk on the sea. So the sea was so confident and it challenged the young man that you are not a shark or whale to float or to swim in the water. You can only row or you can go only on the boat. So he was very confident that the young man cannot conquer sea. So he made a boat that was able to float. Ho ho, said his foe. It floats all right and it's watertight, but you can't make it go. So on listening to the challenge, this young man made a boat that was able to float on the water. Usually boat will float, it won't sink like some big ships. So boats or ships always float on the water. It is watertight means there is no holes to enter water, so it is a watertight. Foe means enemy. The sea is saying, "Oh young man, you cannot, even you make a boat to float, you cannot beat me." But the young man was trying all his best to conquer over the sea. Third paragraph. "Oh yes, I can," replied the young man, and he made some oars and learned how to row. "Oh yes, I can win," the young man replied to the sea. The young man made a boat which can float. Then he made some oars. Oars means pedals, so that the boat can move fast on the sea. Next, fourth paragraph. When the sea saw the boats and the oars and all the rowers, he said, "Young man, they make a fine show, but what will you do when they venture out?" After seeing the boat and oars, the sea is saying, "You are taking risky job." Venture means risky job, means you are taking risk. to float on the sea. It is impossible to cross my waves. All the rowers, those who are rowing, all fell down the sea. Means all they cannot conquer the sea. So you too, young man, cannot conquer me. The sea was very confident that nobody can conquer the sea. The wave is making fun of young man. Now, what the young man will do, we will see in the next class. Whether the young man has conquered or overcome the sea. Just once again recall the meanings. Thank you.